swift, wasn't it? Whoa, show too much already, show too much.
Straight out of Dallas.
What's up, 6 Gear Riders? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, get more content, which you probably are new to the channel. I don't got many subscribers yet, just the second video. But today is a big video, man. Big announcement. So situation was, the piece is called the boat pivot. It holds the gear shift pedal, what you shift up and down with. It holds that in place, so it allows you to shift up and down. So one day I was on the highway, the most dangerous place for it to happen. I was on the highway and I'm shifting up to get up some speed. I was actually getting on the highway. I'm shifting up, trying to get up some speed, and the damn thing broke on me. So I couldn't shift up and down. I had to keep the damn bike in 5th gear the whole way home. Boom. So as you can see, we got a bunch of parts for it. I did get a lot of stuff in the mail. As you can see, I bought this is the boat pivot piece that broke off on me on the highway. So this whole thing was hanging off. So I bought that. It's a little seal thing that goes in between that I bought. I bought this whole piece here and this piece here. So I just basically replaced everything. And this piece here on the old was bent anyway. So bought a new one. And also what I did on the bike yesterday, which I'm gonna insert the clip here too, put the brake pads on, man. Different brake pads on the bike. As you probably can't even notice, but there's definitely some new brake pads on there. Still trying to get the bar end off on this end, man, so I can change those grips and everything. But as far as that, it's everything that I did. So as I already gave y'all a little sneak peek of it, now you can probably pause the video anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on too. Like I said, I'm gonna pay a company to put it on. I just don't want to promote them, man, because they did give me the runaround. It's everything, man. I'll make sure I insert the clips here. Make sure y'all continue, man, to rock with me in the channel, man. The 6 Gear Riders, man. It's D-Smoke. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Tune in, because it's gonna be a lot more, man. Let's go.
Hey, I put my team on, team strong, made them believe me. I put the work in, smoking on purple, bumping Young Jeezy. A lot of work in, ain't broke a sweat, I make it look easy. That Secret Service, import, export, bringing dirt in. Pull up, grab the dough, close the curtains. When you say that you don't need me, I did my best, no wasted time. See in your eyes, you won't leave me. Snake in disguise, no wondering why I watch your mind like the TV. You say I'm corporate and creepy, but you focused on leeching. Must be a coincidence, I don't know why, but I got a thing for the teaching, or maybe a thing for the teachers. She take me home, I teach her. My old dude say he don't trust them phones, but he got a thing for them beepers. Old school, legend where we from, made so much money they was speechless. I be counting money till I'm teethless, or stacking it up till I'm toothless. Ruthless, riding ruthless. OG out here, I don't respect all that new shit. Hustling Monday to Sunday, dolo, I don't respect all that crew shit. Did it on my own, stone for stone, no disrespect, but I do this. I said, how many hits will it take till we get to the top of the game? I want a watch and a chain, cold blocks, way too many people calling my name. I might get lost in that money, but I won't be lost in the fame. I said, how many hits will it take till we get to the top of the game? I want a watch and a chain, cold blocks, way too many people calling my name. I might get lost in that money, but I won't get lost in that fame.
I don't catch me doing no subliminals, won't shout y'all, no interlude. Still rocking with the same nigga, we was riding around on them inner tubes. When they went flat, we take yours, you ain't get them back. I'm the same nigga since way back, I just been relaxed. My face car, I hold a lot of weight. Where I'm from, you get your pockets checked. What you know about getting hopped out on the meal serving, have to swallow that. What you know about putting your hand on the Bible, a nigga had to lie on that. I was on the floor with my coat, a nigga had to lie on that. Girl on the state and I ain't talking championship. They ran no laps. They ran no laps.